My name is Cyrus.
I'm Hera.
We take Spanish Marks lessons together for beginner Spanish. We do this here in Canada, on the west coast of Canada, on Vancouver Island. So far we love the courses. What we especially like about it, at least myself, I really like the flexibility. It's really easy to contact them to change our lesson times. And the teachers are always very flexible in terms of the content that we learn in class.
I really like how the teacher draws us out and encourages us to use Spanish. She always begins the lesson with a little conversation, and is always happy to clarify anything from past lessons or current lessons, or even stuff that we haven't covered yet. She corrects pronunciation, which I love, and her demeanor is really pleasant and approachable, and she's a lot of fun to work with. So we love Spanish Marks.